In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect Notion with your Claude account. First thing you're going to do is click the plus to navigate to connectors. Go to manage connectors to see all the connectors you have. All you got to do is authorize through the official Notion MCP. You find Notion by browsing connectors and selecting that tool. From there, once you're in and have your Notion connected, you want to select the permissions, add custom permissions, and you can see all the different things that Notion can do inside of Claude. So for one example, I've got a Notion board for our content production HQ. If I wanted to use this Notion board for me and my team to reference any SOPs that I create because of this integration, I can simply open up Claude and tell it to help me with building this out in Notion rather than manually from scratch. So we can see Claude is architecting the Lean SOP database. It's using the Notion connector that we've set up to do this, and actively is going to be building this out. It's building out the plan, showing me exactly what it built. It built this database. So that's how you connect Claude with Notion, have Notion build out stuff for you. And inside of this SOP example, each SOP will be turned into its own page. So I can build out on it, reference it, embed things, and keep building brick by brick from there. And I can also continue working with Claude based on the things that it's flagged to improve and build on top of this in Notion. So there's more that I could do. But first and foremost, we wanted to connect Notion with Claude. Subscribe and share if you found this useful. See you in the next video.